Hey guys, today's topic is e-governance and other governance aspect. First question, what is government process re-engineering? Discuss its role in improving the public service delivery mechanism. So we have to discuss about the concept called government process re-engineering and how it helps in public service delivery mechanism. Our introduction can be GPR seeks to address problem in the delivery of government services through internal departmental overhauls. It is a fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business process reengineering. So basically, we all heard about this BPR, business process reengineering. The GPR is nothing but it's an radical redesigning. They redesigned the BPR process slightly and we made the GPR. Why we made this? To solve the lackiness in delivery of government services. So let us look into it, how it works basically. So the first step is problem identification and definition, and then we have to define the vision and objective of GPR, process study, documentation, process analysis, process re-engineering, process implementation, and IT enablement. So these are the various steps of GPR. We have to first identify the problem and then we have to study it, analyze it, re-engineer it, and finally implement the updated new system of governance. So what are the things it improves? It basically improves the cost, quality, service, and speed of the governance process. Now, how GPR works? First step, as we already saw, simplification. So simplification of application process is a major goal. Reduction in the number of documents required. Digitization and decentralization of processes, ensuring updates are accessible. Movement of files within department. Tracking the application and delivery of service. So how it works? First we have to simplify the process and reduce the unnecessary documentation and other processes. And the best way is to digitalize and decentralize things. And we have to update it frequently and the updates have to be accessible also. And the movement of file, we can see there is so much of delay in that and this has to be first step. And for that we have to track the application status, where it is and in how many days it will be completed. All those things we can track online itself. So now let us look into the role of GPR in improving the public service delivery. First point, enables government personnel to improve functioning through citizen focus and experience. So it will enable the government servants, that is all the government officers, to improve the functioning. How? There will be major improvement in citizen focus and experience and minimize process complexity, cost, time. So we have to reduce all these things, complexity, cost, time. Can fight against red tapeism and corruption. This is an essential step. So this brings transparency and accountability. Reduces administrative burden as everything is getting re-engineered and digitalized. Application of IT. If we apply the knowledge of IT, it will improve the performance, yield better result for stakeholders, so everything. And then addressing the changing need of citizens, government and business. So various stakeholders needs are being addressed here. So what are the steps? In role we have seen that it will improve the functioning and reduce the complexity, red tapeism, everything will be reduced and transparency will be increased, administrative burden will be reduced, use of IT in governance, and we have to address the need of various stakeholders. We have to give one best practice as an example. For example, in Indian Railway, issuance of passenger ticket. Earlier we had this physical going to the counter booking ticket, standing in queue, but now we are having this online ticket booking to IRCTC, and this simplified our process and everything. What are the results? It is hassle free, convenient booking anywhere, anytime, freedom from travel agents and government savings on manpower. So these are the benefits of GPR, applying GPR in governance. So, how can we conclude? GPR can empower citizens with accessible, transparent governance and reduce burden of pendency in service delivery. So, we have to reduce the pendency. Enhance equity by eliminating the channels of discrimination, targeting most vulnerable people. So, this attains our ultimate good governance goal. Thank you.